Hi, hello, and welcome to another craft session with me, Bev. Today I thought we would look at something pretty to hang in the garden. So we're going to make some kind of wind chimes. I don't know if you've watched my videos before, but I usually like to go for whimsical things. Possibly use elements from outdoors. So I've been to collect some twigs. A couple of examples here of my twigs. Also, to make these whimsical fairy bells, let's call them, we have some yarn. I've got a few different colours. You don't have to use yarn. If you've got some embroidery thread or some kind of string hanging around the house, that would also work. You need some bells. Now this one is one that I usually would hang on my Christmas tree that I had laying around. Never got put back in the box. And this bell here is one from a cat collar. We tend not to leave the bells on our cat collars, so we save the bells just for any future craftings we may need them for. And then I'll have like a bunch of like buttons and random things that I've collected. I like to collect things. Never know when you may need to use them for a craft. So I guess you could use beads or anything else that you've got hanging around that you might have collected. Bits of things that you've collected in the garden, maybe some stones or some beach glass or something like that you can wrap some yarn around and suspend. So basically what we're going to do is to make our sticks look pretty with some yarn that we're going to wrap around, and then suspend a bell most importantly, but anything else that you may have collected. So I'm going to suspend my stick this way. Maybe with this one I'll suspend things off this way. But first of all, we need to make the stick look even prettier than it already does. So I'm just going to wrap some yarn around my stick. I'm going to leave a long end so that I have something to tie to the tree or whatever it may be outside that you're going to tie your whimsical fairy stick to. Okay, so I've wrapped my stick up now and I've left a length at the end. What you want to do is tie off the end. Probably give it a double knot there just so it doesn't come undone. And then you want to affix then whatever you want to hang on the bottom of your bell. Now I'm putting these on purely because I know that they'll grab the light, they'll look pretty when the sun's shining, but I also don't want them to slip down onto the bell that I'm going to put on the end. So I'm just going to tie a knot here. So my bell has an easy loop for me to tie it around. If you've just got the end of the bell here, then that's fine. You might just need a needle or something to poke it through. Maybe a bit of adult help wouldn't go amiss here. So I'm just going to tie my bell to the bottom. And I'm just going to cut my yarn there. And there you have it, a fairy bell. So I'm just going to show you now then how to make one. with the stick the other way. So this stick is going to hang vertically, and now I'm going to show you how to make one that would hang horizontally. So I've got my stick here. Again, I'm just going to wrap it with my yarn here, whatever you've got though, cotton or whatever you've found. So I'm going to leave a length at one end, and then I'll need another at the other end so that I have something to tie it up with. Okay, so I've wrapped this one with one colour, and then I'm going to go ahead with another colour. And I'm going to leave some long bits on here then to hang my little found bits on. So make sure this is secure. I'm going to tie a knot. So I've got my hanger, and then I've got my two pieces hanging down. Just cut them off to size now. And then I'm going to suspend my bell and anything else that I've got on these two threads then. So that's two fairy bells that I've made to jingle jangle outside in the garden when it's windy. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed today's craft session, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.